Hello, dear students. Hope you all are doing well. So, let's start today with your science chapter number 4, sorting materials into groups. Well, there are so many things around us like table, desks, pencils, kitchen bin, invitation card, frying pan, tap, and so on. So, all these things are made up of material, isn't it? Like table is made from wood, pencils are made from wood and graphite, toy bricks are made from plastic, invitation card are made from paper, frying pan are made from metal. The clothes you're wearing are made from fabrics. The chair you're sitting on is made from plastic. The windows in your school are made from glass. So, what is material? A material is what an object is made of. Examples of materials are wood, plastic, metal, fabric, and so on. Like this coin is made from metal. This glass bottle is made from glass. This table is made from wood. These nails are made from iron. So all these things are made from only one material. Means some things are made up of only one materials. But there are some things that are made of more than one material. Like this cloth clip are made from plastic and metal. Spectacle is made from plastic and glass. Sofa is made from fabric and wood. Shoe is made from rubber, metal, fabric. Then pencil is made from wood, graphite, rubber, metal. Okay? So there are so many materials around us and each material has different uses. Like we mostly use cooking utensils that are made up of metals. Why? Because metals do not break easily and they are good conductors of heat. Similarly, furniture, boats, and sometimes homes are made up of woods because they can be cut and polished, though they are hard materials. And most importantly, they are lighter than water and they do not react with water. Okay? So next, I am going to explain the properties of materials which differentiate them from each other. Okay? So let's start. Number 1, appearance. Number 2, hardness. Number 3, states of matter. Number 4, soluble and insoluble materials. Number 5, objects that float or sink in water. Number 6, transparency. Number 7, conduction. So first, let's discuss about appearance. Okay? So some materials are lustrous. They shine when they are polished. Like gold, silver, marble, granite, they are lustrous material. Okay? And some materials are non-lustrous, means they do not shine when they are polished, like wood, plastic, etc. Okay? Then next, hardness. So some materials are hard while some are soft. So some materials that cannot be compressed, scratched or bent because they are very hard. Example, metal, plastic, glass and wood. These materials are hard materials and they cannot be easily compressed, scratched or bent. While some are soft materials like wool, cotton, rubber, they can be easily compressed, scratched and bend. Okay. The third property of materials is states of matter. So there are three states of matter: solid state, liquid state and gaseous state. So in solid, substance have definite shape, mass and volume, and molecules are closely packed with each other. Okay. So all solid substances have solid state. Okay. Example: cup, brick, wood. Okay. Next, liquid state. So in liquid, substances have definite mass and volume, but they do not have a definite shape. They take the shape of the container. Like if you store 1 liter of water in both jug and bottle, that liquid will take the shape of the container. Okay. So they are loosely packed and so they are free to move. Example: petrol, oil, milk. Okay. Next, the third state is gaseous state. They neither have a definite shape nor definite volume. They are made up of molecules which are far apart. Okay. Example: oxygen, carbon dioxide, helium, etc. Okay. Next property of material is soluble and insoluble substances. Okay. So what is soluble substance? Substance that completely dissolve in water are called soluble substance, like salt, sugar. Okay. They are soluble substance. They completely mix with water. Like when you mix sugar with water, it forms sugar solution. Okay. While some materials that do not dissolve in water, they are insoluble substance, like mustard oil, kerosene, etc. Okay. Next, objects that float or sink in water. So some objects that are lighter than water, they float in water. Okay. Example: pencil, yarn, orange, leaf, beer, crayon. So these objects are lighter than water, so they float in water. Okay. While some objects are heavier than water, so they sink in water. Example: coin, nail, eraser, paper clip, key, button. Okay. Next, transparency. An object can be either transparent, translucent or opaque. So what is transparent object? Materials that allow nearly all light to pass through are called transparent objects. Okay. Example: clear window glass is an example of transparent object. Also, clean water is also example of transparent. Okay. Next, translucent. Materials that allow some or little light to pass through are translucent object. Okay. Example: frosted glass, tissue paper. Okay. They allow light to pass through them partially. Okay. Next, opaque. Materials that do not allow any light to pass are called opaque. Example: wood, metal, Okay. Next, conductors of heat and electricity. So, some materials are good conductors of heat and electricity while some are bad conductors of heat and electricity. Good conductors are those materials which allow electricity to pass through them easily. Example, copper, aluminum. So, metals such as copper and aluminum allow electricity to pass through them, and so they are good conductors. Hence, they are used as electric wires. While bad conductors are those materials which do not allow electricity to pass through them easily. Example, rubber, wood. Okay, so you have learned every material that has certain properties, isn't it? So I hope that you are clear with the properties. So everyone, go through the chapter. Okay, that's all. Thank you and have a good day.